Hi viewers, welcome to my channel English News 111. Today we are going to discuss important factor about mosquitoes. Have you noticed that some people seem to get bitten by mosquitoes more than others? Mosquitoes also favorite to a particular blood group. Let us see what are the factors and what are the facts. If you're one of these unlucky people, you're probably wondering why mosquitoes bite me so much. It's not just your imagination, viewers. According to the research and for a variety of reasons, mosquitoes do bite certain people more than others. According to a lab research, about 20% of a population gets bitten more than others. But before we dive into why mosquitoes bite some people so much, let's get a few mosquito facts straight. Do you know that only female mosquitoes bite because they need human blood to develop their fertile eggs? Scientists have also discovered that proteins in female mosquitoes' antennae and heads that latch onto certain human chemical markers. Our bodies produce these markers naturally and mosquitoes can detect them up to 115 feet away. Here are some more factors that appears to cause mosquitoes to bite some people more than others. First thing is blood type. According to a Journal of Medical Entomology study, mosquitoes land on a people that have type O blood nearly twice as much as they land on people with type A blood. Individuals with type B fall somewhere in the middle of a spectrum. Also, about 85% of a people secrete a chemical signal indicating their blood group. The next factor is carbon dioxide. Using an organ known as maxillary pulp, female mosquitoes can smell carbon dioxide emitted in human breath up to 115 feet away. Those who exhale more of these gas seem to attract mosquitoes more than others. Heat and sweat. Besides carbon dioxide, mosquitoes seem to have a nose for other scents such as lactic acid, uric acid, ammonia and other compounds emitted in a sweat. They also prefer warm bodies. Exercise increases a buildup of lactic acid and heat, making a warm, sweaty body also irresistible to mosquitoes. Movement increases mosquito bites up to 50%. The next factor is skin bacteria. Research suggests that certain types and quantities of bacteria on the human skin can also attract mosquitoes. A recent study found that large amounts of certain types of bacteria make skin more appealing. This may explain why mosquitoes are drawn on your ankles and feet, which the areas that often harbor high active colonies and can be smelly. The next interesting factor is clothing. Do you think that mosquito listens or observes our dress? Yes, of course it's yes. Mosquitoes are highly visual creatures using their eyes and scent organs to locate food sources, especially in late afternoon. Wearing certain colors including navy, black and red can make you easier to spot. According to the studies, dark colors have been shown to attract more mosquitoes than the light colors. I think here onwards you will be wearing a light color dress. Let's see what's the next factor, that is pregnancy. According to the research, women in late stages of pregnancy, 28 plus weeks, are more likely to be bitten by mosquitoes than non-pregnant women. One possible explanation is that pregnant women exhale about 21% more carbon dioxide than the normal people. Next thing is, of course, it's genetics. Research suggests that an underlying genetic mechanism may affect whether you get bitten by mosquitoes or not. Some lucky people produce a natural mosquito repellent that appears to be genetic. Thank you viewers. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel and click bell button for the notifications. Thank you.